uh, Polynomial. This topic we will do today the case study questions, and here first case study question is: the below picture are few natural examples of parabolic shapes which is represented by a quadratic polynomial. A parabolic arc is an arc in the shape of a parabola. In structures, their curve represent an efficient method of load and so can be found in bridges and in architecture in variety of forms. We can see all these pictures of a parabola form. So look here, these all pictures are very good pictures. Now here the first question is: in the standard form of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, ABC are, look here, a should not equal to 0. A should not equal to 0. So a is a non-zero real number and b and c are any real number. This is the answer. If the root of the quadratic polynomial are equal, then discriminant d b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So answer is D. Question number 3rd is: if alpha and 1 upon alpha are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 2x square minus x plus 8k, then k is, look here, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1 and c equal to 8k. Okay, we have to find the product of zeros. What we get product of zeros? Product of zeros we have c by a. Okay, and product is here alpha into 1 upon alpha equal to c is here 8k and a is here 2. So we get here 1 equal to 4k. So k equal to, we will get 1 upon 4. So answer is here B. All of you understand these? Now question number 4 is: the graph of x square plus 1 is, if we do the x square equal to minus 1, means it is not a real part, means we can say there is no real roots, no real roots. Okay, we get not, we not have any square number that is a negative. Okay, so here it will not cut the x-axis. So we can write here neither touch or nor intersect the x-axis. Okay, so this type we will never get this x points, we will never get. So it will never touch the x-axis. Or if the sum of the root is minus p and the product of the root is minus 1 upon p, then the quadratic polynomial is, formula for quadratic polynomial is px equal to k into x square minus sum x plus product. Okay, now here k is as it is. Now x square minus sum is what is minus p, minus minus plus px. Okay, and product is here minus 1 upon p, so 1 upon p we can write. Now this is the answer: x square plus px minus 1 upon p. So the answer is x. C is the answer: k x square plus px minus 1 upon p. Now case study 2. An asana is a body posture originally and still in a general term for a sitting meditation pose, and later extended in health yoga and modern yoga as exercise to any type of the pose or position, adding reclining, standing, inverted, twisting and balancing pose. In the figure, one can observe that the poses can be related to representation of quadratic polynomial. So you all can see the poses of all these. Look here. First question is the shape of the pose shown is all are in a parabolic form. You can see all are parabolic. Answer is D. Number 2 is the graph of the parabola open downward, means the graph is this type. This type graph we have only when we have a less than 0, and upward we will have when a is greater than 0. So here answer is C. In the graph, how many zeros are there for the polynomial? This graph is given here, this 1 and 2. So 2 zeros are, so we can write here 2. And the 2 zeros in the above shown graph are, so here zeros are x equal to -2 and x equal to 4. These points are the zeros. So here answer is B. The zeros of quadratic polynomial 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 are. Look here 4 into 4 root 3 into 2 root 3 is here 3 are 24. This product is 24. So multiply, then we want 24, and here is minus sign, so subtract, then we want here 5. So two numbers are 8 and 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 and 8 into 3 is 24. 4 root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3. Okay. Now from these first and second we can take common. 4 is common and x is common. So we get root 3x plus 4 to the 8 2. Okay. Then minus root 3 is common. So we get here root 3x plus 2. Now root 3x plus 2 we can take common. So remaining is 4x minus root 3. So if we will find the zeros, by first we get x equal to minus 2 upon root 3, and from the second we get x equal to root 3 by 4. Okay, so answer from these is this answer is B. All of you understand, answer is B.